A liability is money owed to another party either through trade or just financing. But let's not use the accounting definition. Let's see if we can apply real life aspects of your life and how we can equate those to actual accounting transactions of a business. So if we look at your life, do you have monthly bills? Do you have a cell phone bill? Do you have an internet bill? Do you have utility bills? If you have not paid a monthly bill, this is a liability. Do you own a vehicle? Do you have a car? Is there an auto loan attached to that car? That is also a liability. Do you have a credit card? Have you used your credit card to buy things? If you have not paid off that credit card, that is considered a liability. Do you own a house? And did you have to apply for a mortgage to buy that house? That mortgage is going to be considered a liability. So let's take those items that we just talked about and see if we can equate those to liabilities within a business financial statement. So your monthly bills, if you have not paid those monthly bills, but you have incurred those services or have bought those products, that is going to be an accounts payable. That is a liability on a business financials. So credit cards, same thing. A business is going to have most businesses are going to have a credit card. They're buying monthly expenses. They have office expenses they need to buy. These are going to be liabilities. Until you've paid that credit card off, you have a credit card liability. So that auto loan, that is bank debt. That is very similar to a company that needs to finance equipment. Maybe they need to buy vehicles as well. This is going to be a liability. A mortgage, in the situation we just talked about with the house. You purchase the house, you need to get a mortgage. The company's going to do the same thing. They want to buy a commercial property. They are going to get a mortgage. They're going to get some bank financing to buy that asset. So liability is going to be money that you owe to another party, whether that is accounts payable, whether that is bank debt,